Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure both your ears and the AirPods are clean. Grime breaks seals and causes slippage. Once done, pick a silicone tip size and test briefly. Comfort without sound leakage means progress. Insert each AirPod at a slight upward angle and rotate toward the ear's ridge until you feel a soft but firm seal. This twist and seat motion creates the vacuum and mechanical lock that keeps them from slipping during normal motion. Once you have a basic seal, focus on refining stability. You'll know the seal is right because bass will tighten and ambient noise drops. If bass is thin, swap sizes. Next, switch to memory foam tips or add tiny silicone wings to increase friction. These conform to your ear canal and antihelix. Make micro adjustments to the stem angle and tuck the body slightly under your ear's natural ridge to distribute pressure. This reduces popping out during head turns or workouts. You finish by validating the fit with motion. Shake your head, mimic jogging, and move for 30 seconds. If they stay put, you're done. If you notice slipping, add over-ear hooks or sport fins for mechanical retention and redistribute pressure away from the canal. Make sure sensors and vents are clean because dirt can change fit feel. If problems persist despite correct tips and accessories, replace the tips or pursue a warranty exchange. A persistent poor fit usually means the tip shape isn't compatible with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.